Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Synthesia's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Synthesia's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in synthesia.keen.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Synthesia displayed on the screen. Now to log into your account, enter your username and password associated with your Synthesia's account and tap on login. In case if you want your ID to be remembered, next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says remember me option. This is how you can log into your Synthesia's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.